Hi everybody. This video is going to show you how to upload a picture of your child's work into Google Classroom. The first thing is for them to do the work. Obviously, then you take a picture, maybe with your cell phone, and then email that picture to yourself. I made a sample today and that's what I did. So I'm going to go to my email and here is the email I sent to myself. And here's the image. I'll click on the image. And the fastest way is to just click and drag it to your desktop. Now, if I go to Google Classroom, I'm going to go in as a student. And I go to classwork. The assignment that I worked on was the Thursday Wake Up Your Brain. I'll view assignment. This is the cool part. Over here, your work, meaning the student's work, add or create. In this case, I can add a file. I'm going to add this file. I'm going to click and drag it here. Upload. And there it is. Now all I have to say is turn in. Turn in. There you go. Now, when the teachers go to the Google Classroom, this is my teacher account, and the teachers click on this, view assignment, all these people turned it in, including W. Rogers. Here it is. So the teachers can see the work, add a comment, return it back with a comment, and most importantly, we can then move it into your child's portfolio. We were just told we have to keep a portfolio of student work, and we can't really do it from Dojo. We need to have it all on Google Classroom now for the administration to see it. So that's the story. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you want to do this together over the phone, if you have a question. This is what we're here for. Okay, bye.